Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use connected board and mirror columns in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to connect two boards so items relate to each other, and how to mirror information from one board into another for instant visibility. First, head to your Monday.com home. From there, open the board where you want to see information coming in from another board. I'll use a sample project board, but this can be any board you manage work from. On that board, add a new column. Click the small plus icon on the far right of your columns to open the column options. From the list that appears, choose Connect Boards. This special column lets you create relationships between items in your current board and items that live on a different board. Next, select which board you want to connect to. Click Select Boards, then pick the target board you want to pull information from. For this walkthrough, I'll pick a sample board, but choose whichever board holds the data you want to reference, like a resources board, a deliverables board, or a master roadmap. Before confirming, turn on the option to set this as a two-way connection. Two-way means the link works from both sides. When you connect an item here, the related item on the other board also shows the connection back. This makes navigation easier and keeps relationships in sync across your workspace. Now, click Connect Boards to finalize. You'll see a new Connect Boards column added to your board. You can click into any cell in that column to link one or more items from the connected board. This is how you associate a task with a deliverable, a ticket with a client, or a feature with a sprint. Use the setup that matches your workflow. With the connection in place, let's surface data using a mirror column. Add another column and choose. Create a mirror column. You'll be prompted to pick which connected board column you want to mirror. Select a field from the other board like status, owner, date, or a numbers column. The mirror column will display that value right in your current board, updating automatically when the source changes. If you link multiple items, the mirror can show combined values such as a roll-up of numbers or a summary of statuses. A few quick tips as you work: give your connect boards and mirror columns clear names so teammates know what they're seeing, and remember that mirror data respects whatever permissions and visibility exist on the source board. That's it. You connected your boards and created a mirror column to bring key information forward without duplicating work. Try it out on your own boards to streamline handoffs and reporting.